Namaskar to all of you. Welcome to Microsoft Teams, a practical approach for teachers. Dear teachers, all of you have been given the user names and passwords for your login to the Microsoft Teams. If any teacher has not got the same, please obtain it from our computer department. In this lecture, we will learn on how to open the Microsoft Teams on your laptop or PC. In smartphones, you have to download Microsoft Teams mobile app and then you can work on that. I am using a laptop. Before starting the Microsoft Teams, I am going to tell you the scenario under which we will be working. Since all the teachers and students are already added into the Microsoft Teams Admin Center, you need only to add teachers and students into your teams. Here is the scenario under which we are going to learn. In the scenario, I am going to take the example of 3 teachers, that is teacher 1, teacher 2, and teacher 3. Teacher 1 is teaching English. He or she is the class teacher of class 6A and teaching English in 6A and B. Teacher 2 is teaching Hindi. He is the class teacher of 6B and will be teaching Hindi in class 6A and 6B. Teacher 3 is teaching mathematics. He or she is the class teacher of 6C and will be teaching mathematics in 6A and C. I am also going to create 3 classes in the system, that is 6A, B and 6C. In the 6A, we will see by adding student S1 and S2. And in 6B, we will be adding student S3 and S4. In the 6C, we are not going to add any student. Further, based on these examples, you are going to learn as a class teacher on how to create a team. In the Microsoft Teams, in our language, it is a class. Secondly, you will learn on how to add members in the Microsoft Teams. Members will be our teachers and students. And thirdly, how to add channels in the Teams, that is the subject taught in the class. These channels will be equivalent to the number of subjects taught in that class. This is all the scenario. So we will be proceeding with this and hope you will enjoy the next teaching learning process. Now we are going to learn on how to log into Microsoft Teams. In the taskbar, click on the Google Chrome button. In the address bar, write teams.microsoft.com and click enter. Here you will find your dialog box for entering your username. Whatever the username given to you, write that and log in with that name. As per the scenario, I am going to use the teacher one's username and password. So that E1 at the rate KV1 Kochi dot on microsoft.com. Check it is correctly typed here and then click on next. Here, whatever the password provided to you, enter that. After entering the password, click on the button sign in. Click on yes if you get any message. And when you are logging in for the first time, Microsoft Teams will take some time as it will install all the required drivers and configure it. See, this is the logo of Microsoft Teams. So we have logged in. Here in the right hand side bottom corner, you will find one notification pop up. Just click on dismiss. Then let us explore this screen. First, we will see on the right hand side. Right hand side here, this T, what it represents? This is the first name of the teacher who has logged in. So just click on it. You will find here T is symbol assigned to teacher one. If you want to change the picture, click on change picture here. You can change the picture so that you are easily identifiable by your students. And you can click here on upload and then that select your appropriate picture and it will be uploaded. When uploaded, click here on save button. So presently I am not going to upload any picture. So click on the close button. So next, when you have done your all the work here in this username, then at the end you will click here on the sign out so that you are appropriately logging out of your account. So these are only important menus in this. And now let us explore the left hand side. Here this is the activity button, this is the chat button, and this is the Teams button. This is the main button where you will start working. Now by default it is opened here. Whenever you open your login, this will only be shown to you. This is the assignment button and calendars for scheduling your activities. From this button you can add more applications into this. It is required only when you are having reasonable experience while working in the Microsoft Teams. This is also for adding more apps, and if you are stuck somewhere you can use this button to get the help. This is nothing but downloading the desktop app already we are using. So let us create a class as told in the scenario. So click on the Teams and here you will be prompted with the two message box. One is for creating the team, other one is to joining the team by entering here. So since we want to create the team, we will have to click on the create team here. Then in this next dialog box, you can create team for class, for personal learning community, staff and others. So only click on class here. Create your team. Since T1 is the class teacher of class 6A, so we will write here 6A. So name of the team is 6A. Here in description also you can give, but that is not required. So after entering the name of your team or your class, you can click next button. Now the class is created. Here it will prompt you to add the members here. Here two types of members can be added. One is student, other one is teachers. So this you can do now or you can do later on. So we will do later on. Let us see. Click here on the skip. So now the class is created. Or you can say team is created, that is 6A. So let us add members to it. First see what are the features in this class. Here this is the more options button. Click on it. Since you have created, you can manage the team. You can add channels. You can add members. You can leave the team. You can edit the team details. And you can delete the team. This team can be deleted only by the person who has created it. So you have to take care that also. So now let us click on the manage team. These are the features of the class at present. See here, this teacher T1 is the owner of it. He has created. So now we can add other members to it. Click here on this add members. Student. We are having student S1, S2, S3 and S4. S1 student, just write S1 at the rate and you do it 2-3 times. Okay. Student has come. So now we will add this S1 student here. Click on the add, or all student at a time can be added. This second student is again select from here student S2. So we will add only these two students. Add here. So these two students are added. Now add teachers. Click here. Just search by name. So teacher, there are 3 teachers in our scenario. Teacher, so add all these are teaching in 6A, so we will add teacher 2 here, then teacher 3 here. So add. When you have done, click on the close button. So now you can see here that all the teachers are the owner of this team here. They are the 3 teachers. One has created and 2 other teachers. Here we can see who are the members. So by default, the students are the member in the team. So all these students are here. This way, you have completed the 2 steps. One, you have created the team 6A. Second, you have added the members, that is teachers and student. Third, now we will create the channels that is equivalent to the number of subjects in the class. So come to the class, more options, click here. And again from manage team, or already we are there in the menu, and click the channels here. By default, this general channel is always in all the teams. So we have to now add channel for English, Hindi, Math, Science, Social Study and Sanskrit. But I will add only 3 channels, English, Hindi and Math. So click here on add channel. What is the name of the channel? English. Click here, automatically show the channel in everyone's channel list and click add. So you find here in the left hand side, there are now 2 channel. One general, second is English. We will add more channels. Click here on the more options of the team, add channel. And now the second channel is Hindi. Automatically show and add channel. We will add now third channel. Click here on the more options, add channel. Third channel is maths. Automatically show this channel in everyone's channel list and click on add. So this is the first step required. Create a team, add members and add the channels. Now our team is ready to work on it. So we will just log out and log in again to see what is shown next when you are going to take the lessons in it. So go to the right hand side, click on the sign out button. So we have signed out. I have just logged it into the account of teacher 2. So when the teacher 2 will log in, he will see his or her screen like this. Here, since teacher 2 is added by teacher 1 in the 6th class, so he will be seeing that team 6A here. So what he can do on this team, let us see. He can manage the team. He can add the channels, add the members, leave the team, add the team, get link, manage, and delete the team. Just like the teacher 1, he can perform all those activities in the team. Why? Because he is also the owner of this team. So when the teacher are logging in here on the activity, they will see one red sign that a message pop up. So by mistake, I had just clicked that and that has gone. Now we will, when you click on that, what you will see here, that activity message that teacher added to you. Who has added to you? You can check here. See, teacher 1 has added 40 minutes ago. You can send a chat to him from here or a message, and you can have a video call from here, a telephone call from here, okay, or you can just message from here and send from this side. So again we will go to Teams. Now the teacher T2 is the class teacher of 6B. So he will perform all the activities as performed by teacher T1 with respect to his or her class. So now when these teacher will log in, how they will see in the screen. So click here on the Teams. Now he will create or join the team from the right hand side. Here one button is there, create team. Click on that. Again create here the team. Click on the class and give the name 6B. Click on next. Add student. Student is here. You can search the student by the name, write the name. So student S1 and S2. So if we want to add any more student here, we can add. Or we can just skip here as earlier and first we will see the team here. Here the team 6B is created. Here also welcome to 6B. This in the general channel is shown. So let us add members to it. Manage team. See, only one member is shown here, that is owner who has created the team. See, just place your cursor here. It will show the details. This teacher T2 has created this team. So now in the class, six B, teacher one is also teaching. So what we have to do, we have to add that teacher here. So add the teacher here. From add members, we had to add teachers. To select the teacher, just search the teacher's name, teacher, teacher one is teaching. So add the teacher, or we can add other teacher also, those who are teaching. So, okay. We can select the student here. So who are the student we will search here. So student, as in the scenario already I have told that student 3 and student 4 are there. Student 3 and student 4 are added there. Student 3 is added. Now student 4. Student 4. So all these student and teachers are added. Now we will click on add. So we will click on close. Now we can see here that teacher T1 and teacher T2 are here. They are teaching in class 6B, and there are 2 students in class 6B. They are S3 and S4. So like this, teacher has added the members. Now, when you click here on the teams, here you will see all these teams here. So 6A, since teacher T2 is the member in this, and 6B is the owner of this. So we or click on this, right click here and see manage team, add channel, add member, leave, add a team. All these things can be done by the teacher. So now we will log it into the teacher 3 and see what's happening there. Okay, just wait, and I'm going to log out from here now. Okay, I have just logged into the account of teacher 3. When you will be logging into your account very frequently, you will be seeing the message here. See, save the password for login. Uh, since you are using your personal laptop or computer, if you want, you can save it there. Otherwise, you can click here never, and if you are clicking, this message will not appear again. Otherwise, you can click here. Okay, when you have logged into your account, here you will find the notification message also. Just click on dismiss and it will go. So you will find here one experts help advice message also. Just click that also, cross it. Now see, when you are logging into your account, you will find here on the activity this red sign. It means you have received some message. So just click on that and see what it is here. Here the message is that teacher one has added to you. Teacher one has also given a missed call. So these are the messages we can see here. So this is the chat window. If any chatting has taken place, that is shown here. So now click on Teams. So now since teacher 3 is teaching in class 6A, the class 6A teacher has added class this teacher 3 in class 6A. That's why this 6A is shown here. Since this teacher 3 is not teaching in class 6B, so class 6B has not automatically popped into his account. So that's what I want to show here. So now if we want to create the class, since teacher 3 is the class teacher of 6C, let us create that class. So write the name 6C. Next, okay, click on skip. Just 6C. In just click here on 6C. Now one new feature I am going to add. Click on Add Team. Since 6C is in grade secondary, so select from your secondary grade. You can set any picture from these for this team, or you can upload a new picture from here. So let us see how to upload. So we will select this picture. It is taking too much time. And update. At the end, there is update. So it is saving the profile of the team 6C. I have just discarded. Again, we will try to add it. Change here. Secondary level. Select this picture. Update. So, okay, now you see here that the picture is changed. So like this, you can effect the changes. Now the class teacher, teacher 3 can add the channels as previously told in the teacher T1's example. So you can add channels. They are English, Hindi, Math, Science, Social Sciences, and Sanskrit. All the channels you can add. So this was all about on how to create the team, how to add the members, and how to add the channels. So now I am going to log out. In the next step, we are going to learn how to give the lessons, give the notes, and give the assignments by the subject teacher to the classes. Okay, thank you.